Go to your vendor dashboard. Click on Shipping from the menu. Enable shipping functionality. Toggle the switch to activate shipping settings. If you want to set shipping prices city-wise, then leave the default shipping fields blank. Per product additional price, extra cost for each additional product. Per quantity additional price, extra cost for each additional quantity. Choose how long you take to process an order before shipping. Shipping policy, briefly describe your delivery method timelines. Refund policy, explain your return or refund process. Ships from, mention the location your products are shipped from. Go to Ship to option and select Pakistan as your shipping country. Click Select a state, choose the city, and enter the shipping cost. Click the plus sign to add a new city. Click Select a state, choose the city, and enter the shipping cost. Click the plus sign to add a new city. For all other cities not listed, select everywhere else and set a general cost. Don't forget to click Save Settings to apply your shipping options.